Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best charm bracelet kit is probably one of the most creative and fun ways for girls to express themselves, allowing them to design and create unique bracelets that reflect their personalities and interests. This kit provides everything needed to make beautiful, personalized charm bracelets, fostering imagination, fine motor skills, and a sense of accomplishment. Number 5. Charm Bracelet Making Kit. It has everything you need to create beautiful bracelets. Unleash your creativity and design unique accessories for yourself or as gifts. This kit includes a variety of charming themed charms and beads. Unicorns, mermaids, and more add a touch of whimsy to your creations. It's easy to use, no tools, glue, or mess. Just add beads and screw on the end cap. No need to search for extra supplies. Everything you need to make stunning charm bracelets is right here. It's an excellent gift for girls who love DIY projects. It's fun, encourages artistic expression, and enhances fine motor skills. What we like? It has tons of charms and beads, with unicorn and mermaid themes. It's super easy to use, no glue or mess. If your child loves imaginative designs and simple crafts, this is perfect for them. What people say. The kit comes with a wide variety of colorful beads, charms, and everything you need to create unique bracelets. The unicorn and mermaid themed charms are so cute and really capture the imagination of young kids, especially girls who are into those themes. The instructions are easy to follow, and my daughter had no trouble creating her first bracelet. The beads are high quality and easy to string, which makes the process fun and frustration-free. The charms are high quality, like Pandora charms, but you get a whole bag of them for the price of one on sale. My little 8-year-old cousin was so excited, she immediately made bracelets and necklaces for everyone at her party. Number 4. Amazing Time Charm Bracelet Kit. It's more than just a kit, it's a treasure chest waiting to be opened. Everything you need to create beautiful bracelets is inside, ready for your imagination to take flight. With simple, step-by-step instructions, anyone can make stunning bracelets. It's the perfect project for budding jewelry designers. No glue, no special tools needed. Just mix and match the beads to create unique designs. It's easy, fun, and mess-free. The bracelets are adjustable to fit most wrists, and the beautiful beads allow for endless customization. Wear it every day, or create a special bracelet for a friend. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving, filled with creativity and fun. Choking hazard, small parts. Adult supervision is recommended for children under 3 years old. What we like? This one comes in a beautiful gift box and includes easy-to-follow instructions. The bracelets are adjustable to fit most girls. If you're looking for a complete, ready-to-go kit that's easy to use, this is a great choice. What people say. It's a wonderful opportunity for girls to express their personalities through their creations, choosing from an array of charms that range from cute animals to shiny stars, all of which can be mixed and matched to create pieces that truly represent their unique styles. This bead set has a great variety of Pandora-style charms and colorful glass beads. It comes with string bracelets to put the beads on and silver Pandora-style bracelets too. High quality, beautiful beads, all lovely and beautiful. Very nice metal base for the charms and beads to create bracelets. Number 3. Gionlion Charm Bracelet Kit. This charming bracelet kit is a perfect gift for any young girl. It's beautifully packaged and ready for gifting. It includes colorful glass beads, pendants, and chains, offering endless creative possibilities. Let your imagination run wild. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions, so no prior experience is needed. It's simple and fun for everyone. Create unique bracelets with different themes, from unicorns to rainbows. It's a great way to express your personal style. The sturdy box protects all the components and doubles as a convenient storage organizer for your bracelets. The adjustable chains ensure a comfortable fit for most girls. It's designed for comfort and style. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's a fun and engaging activity for kids and friends. What we like? It's packed with trendy charms and comes with clear instructions. The box is also great for storage. If your child likes to follow instructions and create stylish bracelets, this kit is ideal. What people say. Versatile sizes true to picture, a variety of beads true to size, quality is true to the product, very beautiful bracelets. The charms are nice and durable. The charms are very well made. Number 2. UFU Charm Bracelet Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit has everything you need to make your own unique bracelets and necklaces. Looking for a fun and thoughtful present? This charm bracelet making kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It comes with a handy jewelry box, so you can take your crafting supplies anywhere. It's easy to carry and keep organized. With tons of charms, beads, and chains, you can design bracelets and necklaces to match any style or mood. Let your imagination run wild. No special tools or glue are needed. Simply string on your beads and secure the ends. It's that simple. You'll receive a portable jewelry box, gift bag, chains, beads, and a variety of adorable charms to create stunning jewelry. What we like. This kit includes a handy portable box for storage, and the bracelets are adjustable. It's also super easy to use, no tools needed. If you want a convenient and user-friendly kit for on-the-go crafting, this is it. What people say. Cutest little case and so many beads from which to choose. The jewelry case is nice construction and a perfect size for the finished bracelets. A great quality little kit. Perfect for younger kids because the beads aren't as small. Number 1. Girls Charm Bracelet Kit. This charm bracelet kit is filled with beautiful charms and everything needed to create unique bracelets. It's perfect for unleashing your inner designer. With its enchanting designs, it lets girls create their own style statements. They'll love making and sharing their magical creations with friends and family. This kit is more than just jewelry making, it's a journey of self-expression. It helps develop fine motor skills while fostering creativity and imagination. It's beautifully packaged, making it a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's also easy to store and carry around. Spend quality time with your child, creating together and sharing those special moments. It's a wonderful way to bond and create lasting memories. What we like. It boasts high quality, unique charms and makes a wonderful gift. It's designed to spark creativity and imagination. If you are looking for a high quality, unique, and inspiring gift, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to create a beautiful sparkly unicorn-themed charm bracelet. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the materials are high quality and fun to work with. No sharp parts and many designs and beads to choose from. The size of the bracelet was perfect for kids. The bracelet are just as strong as a Pandora bracelet. Very much impressed with the variety of charms to choose from and the color accuracy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.